useful trick to find song name on Samsung One UI 7. So scroll down at the top to open up the notification panel. Then tap on the edit button. Here tap on edit. In the available buttons, swipe across and look for song search. So in here, swipe across and you see song search. Tap on it and it will be added to this panel. Now I'm just going to move it to the top so we can easily find it. Then tap on done. Then tap on done. Then tap on the home button. Now play a song. Then tap on song search. And that's it. So we'll show you a list of the songs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.